Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to connect a capacitor in a ceiling fan. Before you begin, always make sure the power to your fan is completely turned off at the circuit breaker for safety. First, you will need to identify the type of capacitor you have, which typically has either 2 or 3 wires. Then, locate the corresponding wires within your ceiling fan's motor housing. This initial preparation is crucial for a smooth and safe installation process. Understanding your capacitor's wires is key. A 2-wire capacitor is straightforward, featuring 2 wires that are usually identical in appearance and function. For a 3-wire capacitor, you will find one common wire, which is typically a different color such as red or black, and 2 additional wires that control the fan's different speed settings. Correctly identifying these wires ensures proper fan operation and speed control. For a 2-wire capacitor, the connection process is quite simple. You will connect one of the capacitor's wires to the fan's run winding, and the other capacitor wire to the fan's start winding. These connections are typically made using standard wire nuts, ensuring a secure and insulated join. Always double-check that each connection is firm and properly covered to prevent any electrical shorts or hazards. When working with a 3-wire capacitor, the common wire, often red or black, connects to the fan's neutral power line. The remaining 2 wires are for the fan's speed control. One connects to the high-speed winding and the other to the low-speed winding. It is essential to match these correctly for proper fan operation. Always use wire nuts and ensure all connections are secure and insulated before restoring power.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.